Sir, now I want to discuss very important special operator, Python specific special operator, slice operator. Just aware. What is this one, sir? Can you please spell out? Slice operator. Okay, like. Sir, while discussing string concept next, sir, I told already string we are going to discuss as a separate topic, separate unit. There we will discuss much about slice operator. Almost 1 hour we require to spend only on the slice operator, right? But now you people should aware just a basic touch. Array, I know basic idea about slice operator. That feeling you have to get. For that, let me explain. Sir, first question, what is slice? Slice. What is the meaning of slice? Have you ever heard about slice? Suppose apple is there. If we cut apple into multiple pieces, each piece is called one slice. Okay, regarding one slice. Slice means what? A piece. Okay, a part of the apple. Are getting a part of the Mosambik is by default considered as slice. 1 minute, have a look once. In the Google, just aware, in the Google, apple, okay, apple slice image, like this I'm trying to type. Are you saying right? Apple, okay, apple slice image, like this I'm trying to type, sir. Okay, now have a look once. What response we are going to get? Apple slice image. Okay, like if you consider this one, if you observe this, yes, have a look once. This is one slice. Regarding this itself is another slice. This is one slice. So in the apple, so we can cut apple into multiple slices. So each slice itself is nothing but what? One piece. One piece is called a slice. Clear, right? Forget. So this is general layman terminology. What is the slice? Sir, why apple? You are cutting into multiple slices. But what is Python slice operator? In the string, what is the meaning of slice? I have one string is there. Remember this. I have one string is there. I want to get part of that string. That part of the string is nothing but slice. How you can get that slice? By using slice operator. Remember. Suppose I have one string is there, sir. Assume that S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Oh, thank God I remembered all alphabet symbols. Okay, like, sir, that's all. This is my string. Now my requirement is, sir, I want which character locating at 4th index, which character locating at 5th index. Simple, S of that index, automatically will get that. But now I don't want single character. I want a slice. I want one piece. Okay, like. Sir, now my requirement is I want from 3rd index to 0, 1, 2, 3. 3rd index to assume that 3rd, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 index, like 3 to 7 I want. Sir, I want this piece. I want this piece. This piece is nothing but this slice. So how you can get this substring, this part of this slice of the given string by using which operator, sir? Slice operator. Now terminology is very clear. What is the purpose of slice operator, right? Sir, now how you can use, what is the syntax for slicing? Observe carefully, right? Sir, this is the very important. S of begin index colon end index. Are you getting? Begin index colon end index. So you have to specify from this begin to end. Can you please give the string? Can you please give the slice? Can you please give the part of the string like this? So returns substring or otherwise slice return substring from begin index to can you please spell out, sir? From begin index to, respond, man. From begin index to begin colon end, colon is there, begin colon end from begin index to remember end -1 index. Are you getting? begin index to end minus 1 index, okay, not end index. Even you specified end here, but it's always going to return begin index to end minus 1, okay. Like suppose I'm asking yes or 3 to 9, I'm asking yes or 3 to 9. So it returns a string, the string from third index to end minus 1. End minus 1 means 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 means 8. 3 to 8, okay, all characters locating from third index to 8 index, that slice we are going to get, that part we are going to get. Are you getting? Third, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 means up to I you are going to get, sir. Let me cross check. Third index to 8th index. Observe carefully. Here I'm taking, sir. Have a look once. Let me close. Let me open. Let me consider A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like this I took, sir. Print of S of 3 to 9. Are you getting? 3 to 9. Observe the syntax of slice operator, sir. Okay. Begin colon end. It returns a substring from begin index to end minus 1 index. This is the very, very important, sir. This word is the very, very important, end minus 1 index. So 3 to 9 minus 1 means 3 to 8. Okay. Returns string from 3 to 8 index. N minus 1 means 8 index, right? So 3 means D, sir. D, E, F, G, H, I. Up to that it has to return. Let me cross check, sir. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the syntax what you have to aware. What is the meaning of slice operator, right? Are you in the position to understand? So how many arguments are there for the slice operator? Please respond. How many arguments are there for slice operator? 2 arguments. Begin and then end. Next, sir, from begin index to n minus 1 index. Just a basic idea only. Okay, aware that. Next, if you are not specifying begin index, if you are not specifying begin index, the default value for begin index here from the beginning. Remember this one, sir. The default value is 0. The default value for begin index is 0 from beginning of the string. If you are not specifying end index value, then it will consider until end of the string. Remember this one. If you are not specifying end index, then it will consider until end of the string. Clear, right? Now observe S of sir colon 9 I am taking. S of colon 9. Hurry, you didn't specify begin index value. If you are not specifying begin index value, then automatically starts from 0. Begin index and what? 0 to 8 you are going to get. Okay, 0 to n minus 1, 8. Suppose S of 3 colon I am taking, sir. 3 colon. Array, I didn't specify n index. If you are not specifying n index until end of the string, from 3 to end of string. 3 to end of string it is going to consider. Regarding 3 to end of string it is going to consider, sir. Let me cross check. Have a look once, sir. Suppose I am taking S of 1 minute, sir. From the editor it is very easy to check. Okay. Now let me go for S is equal to like same thing. S of 3 colon 9. Okay, what the answer? D, E, F, G, H, I. S of colon 9 I am taking, sir. So you are not specifying begin index. Default value for begin index is 0. It is going to consider from beginning to I. So beginning to I it is going to consider, sir. So begin to n minus 1. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Similarly, S of, okay, 3 colon, like this I'm taking. 3 colon, like from third index to, third index means D to end of the string. D to end of the string. Remember this one? What the answer we are going to get, sir? D, E, F, G, H, I, like D to end of the string it is going to consider. Remember. Sir, now immediately you may have the doubt. Okay. Sir, what is the default value for begin index? Respond. If you are not specifying begin index, what it's going to take? Starts from 0. If you are not specifying end index, what it's going to return? It's going to return last. Okay, well. Now my question is, I'm not specifying begin index and the end index. I'm not specifying begin index, end index. What will happen? I'm not specifying begin index and end index. What will happen? Very, very simple, sir. Okay, default value 0 means starts from begin. Default value is the end of the string. From begin to end, total characters is going to consider, means original string, total string is going to be considered, sir. Let me cross check. Have a look once about this terminology, sir. I'm taking S of colon, that's all. So I didn't specify begin index and end index also. I didn't specify anything, sir. Then total string by default is going to consider. Let me cross check, friends. Here, have a look once. A, B, C, D up to Z, total thing by default got considered. This thing itself is nothing but slice operator behavior. Any doubt? How many arguments are there? 2 arguments, begin and end, begin index to n-1 index. Just this is only taste, that's all. There are n number of doubts are there in your mind. Sir, there is a third argument is also there named with a step. These are things in detail we will discuss where, sir, in the string concept. Just a basic idea. Oh, there is a something is there named with the slice operator. Try to get idea right. Okay, well. Here, just one more small finishing touch I want to give for this slice operator. Just a basic introduction. This is not complete discussion of slice operator, right? In string concept, I will explain in detail. Don't worry. Suppose here, I'm taking S of, listen very carefully. Listen very carefully. 3 colon 1000 I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell what the answer we are going to get? 3 colon 1000. Sir, actually third index to 25 index only valid index. And the alphabet symbols total 26 are there. 25th is the last index. Sir, now I'm talking about 3 to 1000. What will happen? Please respond. What will happen? Obviously 1000 index is not there. Immediately you are going to get index error, string index out of range. Hooray! Index error, string index out of range. Remember that. So slice operator never going to raise index error. Okay, slice operator never going to raise index error. Okay, within that range, whatever characters are there, it is going to consider. Okay, so from 3 to up to 25 only characters are there. That's why 3 to 25 up to that whatever characters are there, it is going to consider, sir. So D to Z we are going to get everything. We never going to get index error. Remember that. Have a look once. If I can take S of 3 to 1000 like this, I'm taking, sir. 3 to 1000 like. What is the answer? D to Z. D to Z we are going to get. Even 1000 we are considering, but we never going to get any index error. Even 1000 index is not there. Slice operator never going to raise the index error. Clear, right? Okay, well. Next, suppose if I can consider S of 5 colon 3, sir. 5 colon 1. Assume that 5 colon 1. What will happen now? 5 colon 1. Make sure. Sir, here we are always going to move forward direction. We are always going to move forward direction. In forward direction, after 5 index, after 5, 3, 4, 5, after 5 index, if you move to the forward, you never going to get 1. you never going to get 1. That's why from 5, if you move forward, you never going to get 1, means that nothing, there is no slice. Okay, empty string by default you are going to get. What the results are? Empty, nothing is there. So this slice is not possible. Empty only we are going to get. So now have a look once, sir. S of 5:1 I'm taking. 5:1. What the answers are? Empty. Again, what the answer we are going to get? Just empty string we are going to get. Okay, that's all. So in that slice, if the content is not there, a simple empty, even out of range also, we never going to get index error. Sir, just up to whatever characters are there, it is going to consider. Sir, this is basic idea about the slice operator. Okay, it doesn't mean it is a complete discussion of slice operator. Minimum 1 hour I will spend on this slice operator while discussing string concept. There your doubts by default will be clarified. After completing that slice operator, you never going to ask any doubt at all, I'm sure. But here you may have some doubts. Please keep these doubts with you until covering this string concept. Clear? Any doubt about this terminology? Okay.